Would you like to increase traffic, organic traffic through Google searches to your website and increase your affiliate uh, income through your blog? Hi everyone, this is Oladiti Dayo and you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you the strategy for you to rank any keyword, to for you to research the right keyword for your blog and rank those keywords on the first page of Google. Okay, the name of the product that I'll be reviewing today is known as a keyword ranking beast. Keyword ranking beast is a product that is available on the seller platform. Okay, and the course creator is Prosper Noah. I have known Prosper Noah as a blogger, SEO expert for uh, at least 5 years. At least that is the least 5 to 6 years. I've known him. He, his main business is SEO, that is search engine optimization and keyword researches. He used to build websites and some other stuff like that. And through all these stuffs, all this SEO stuff and blogging, he has been able to make consistent income from the internet. Okay, so I'll leave a link in the description to this video to the course so that if you are interested in increasing your web traffic, your blog traffic, and you also want to make a living as a blogger doing SEO stuffs, SEO without spending money on ads to promote your web blog. You want to write SEO optimized articles to which will rank on the first page of Google, and people searching for those keywords, they will be able to find your website and visit your website and probably make affiliate purchases. That is the idea behind the keyword ranking beast. Okay, so if you have a blog now, how do you know the keywords that you should write articles about? The keywords that will be easy for you to rank on Google. Okay, that is the whole idea of this course, and this is a very good course because Prosper Noah has been getting amazing results. Okay, so let's go to the description of this video. Let's click on more so that you get to see more about it. Okay, so here it is. Prosper Noah said, I make a living through SEO. Yeah, and that is actually what he does. He will do keyword researches using SEMrush and some other keyword researching platform. After knowing a good keyword, he will now write SEO optimized article, and that is how he has been doing his blogging, and he has been getting traffic, and he has been making affiliate commissions. Okay, so and he has been doing it since 2017. So we are in 2023 now. 2017, that is about 6 years. He has been doing this. So this is expert at this. I've known him for long. He's actually good at this monetizing traffic through affiliate marketing. So he has been able to find the most easiest to rank keywords in any niche, and he is monetizing the traffic that is coming from Google to his blog through affiliate marketing. So let's see some of his results. Let's see, these are some of his results. Okay, yes, as of December, we made this. Yes, 193 clicks generated over 1,263 uh, affiliate commission this January over 249 dollars. That is about $249 is around 50,000. So and you see this is just one. This is just from one channel. He has he's into so many affiliate programs. If you are into blogging, if you have a blog and you are writing about affiliate programs, you will not rely on just one. You will be writing articles every time, and be posting. And each article will have opportunity of generating income for you. So that is what he has been doing. So this he made over 200. Okay. So he actually is actually not bragging, but he has been able to find good keywords that are easy to rank on page number one of Google, and he has been able to write SEO optimized articles based on those keywords. So if you also want to start making money through blogging, you want your blog to start getting organic traffic through Google searches. So what you need to do is find easy to rank keywords and write SEO optimized articles. And that is the whole idea behind the keyword ranking list. Okay. So okay. I see. These are some of the reviews from people that have taken this course already. Let's get traffic. Okay. So what this course will do for you, it will help you to rank fast on Google. It will not take long before your some people they will write their articles, but the article will refuse to rank on Google. So you will not have this kind of issue or problem when you follow the strategies, the keyword ranking strategies you are going to find in the keyword ranking list. Okay, and this is what you are going to learn in this course. It costs a one-time investment of 15,000, which is relatively cheap. Okay, and you are going to learn keyword research, the top strategies to finding the easiest to rank keywords. So it's not just about just writing your articles about or blog posts about just any keywords. You have to know which keywords are easy to rank and how you can find them. So that is what you are going to learn. You are going to learn SEO content writing. Once you are able to know the keywords that are easy to rank, you have to also know how to write the SEO optimized articles that you post on your blog that will rank for those articles, okay? And you will also know how to build backlinks. Yes, you will know how to, you don't even need this much if you learn keywords research like people, okay? You can rank without links, with quality content and super easy to rank keywords, okay? So, but if you want to go more in depth into SEO, so you need to learn this building backlinks, and this is just like a bonus for this course. Okay, so building backlinks. So once you learn all this, you are already SEO expert. Okay, you are already search engine expert, search engine optimization expert. And Prosper is Noah is also saying he is going to help you review your blog so that it will be you'll be sure that everything is set up correctly and give you some suggestion. Okay. So you see expert view on your blog is going to help you check whether what you are doing is correct on your blog. How you should set up your blog properly so that you'll be able to get those traffic. Okay, learn from someone actually gets results and does exactly what he preach. Okay, there are so many courses that the owners are not even getting any result, but this is not one of them because I've known Prosper Noah for more than 5 years. He is actually into this and he's getting result. His result is speaking for him. Okay, so if you have a blog or you are just about to start your blog and you want your blog to be getting traffic through Google, you don't want to use Facebook ad or Google ads to promote your blog. You want to get organic traffic through the search engine. So you need to do the SEO of your blog properly. You need to learn how to do keyword research for easy to rank keywords and how to write the high quality contents, okay? That once people once your blog post rank on Google, people will be able to click on it, read the content, and if you have updates products you are recommending, they will not hesitate to buy, okay, or sign up. So what are some of the questions people want to know? Does it work for any niche? Yes, it works for any niche as long as it's a popular niche, okay? So this keyword ranking based, you can use it for any niche, whatever niche you have chosen for yourself, whether it's beauty, whether it's e-commerce, whether it's email marketing, whether it's make money online, whether it's just name it, okay? It will work for your niche. Would one need paid tools? There is free keyword research strategy using free tools, okay? But if you want to get results faster, you need to use a paid tool. It won't cost more than $10, okay? So there can be some additional costs if you want faster results. So you keep additional $10 for you to get the paid tools, okay? So I think it's fair enough, is being open so that somebody will not be surprised and say, but you did not tell me that I will need additional money for me to get results after buying your course. So that's why it's being transparent so that you don't get surprised. Does the course really work? Yes, there are a lot of testimonials from my students. Yes, keyword ranking based actually works. See some of the testimonials from some of the your stats are booming. Technically, it's getting a lot of traffic. You see, so I got 50K views monthly, guys. You see, these are reviews from people that have already taken the keyword ranking beast by Prosper. Okay, so with due consideration, this ebook seems to be the best that has ever advanced my knowledge of off-page SEO. It's also discussed on-page SEO, but I have more advanced knowledge on that before getting this course. Okay, so these are some reviews from people that have bought the course. Very nice, still working on it though. You see, I actually thought I knew enough about SEO till I saved up enough money to buy this ebook course. Now I rank first page on high competition keyword within this. You see, this is very fast result that the keyword ranking beast is giving. This tool is the best I have ever purchased. All my blogging effort was set ablaze with this nifty tool. Okay, I got most of my recent articles to rank on first page. These are real people making their reviews. And that's right. The strategy is still working considering the course was created years ago. Yes, they are working really well to date, though some things have changed slightly. I'm also updating and adding new strategies that work for me. Okay, so what Prosper Noah is saying is he is still updating. He is also blogging. So it's not that he just created the course and he's not blogging. He's still blogging. And if he see new strategies working for him, he will let you know. So this update is actually important, not like other courses that once you buy the course, whether there are updates or there are new changes, the course creator will not let you know. So he will let you know, uh, and he is somebody that is always available. He will answer your questions uh, need to when you need help on anything that has to do with SEO, blogging, keyword research. Okay, so this is a very good course. It's a good value for your money. So since I've promised to bring in to you good courses that have handpicked, and this is actually one of them. This is one of my top recommendation if you want to go into blogging and you actually want to get traffic. You want to get traffic through Google searches. So this is highly recommended. Okay, whether you are just starting your blog or you already have a blog that is not getting traffic and you want your articles to rank or your articles are not ranking on Google, or you even want to start offering SEO services. Okay, you can start doing. You can even list your services on Fiverr or Upwork, because a whole lot of bloggers they need this keyword research and uh, content writing gigs to help them. So once you learn this, apart from using it to build your blog and making money through affiliate marketing, you can also sell your services on Fiverr as SEO expert, as keyword researcher. Okay, so this is a very very good skill. It will help you if you enroll in this course. Okay, so to enroll in this course, all you have to do is click on the buy now button. Okay, click buy now button. So you will see the checkout page. So you see 15,000 checkout. You click on checkout. I've already registered, but if you want to register, you put your own contact now. Maybe your name is Dayo. Let me see. Your name is Dayo. You have email. You have to put your correct email. Let's say GY Dayo at gmail.com. So that's your email. You have to put your correct email. My own phone number. You put your phone number. Let's say put your correct phone number. You put your correct email. This email is very important because this is where they will send the link to the course you are purchasing and your receipt. So it's very important you put your correct email. Okay. So you click on pay now and you will see the options for you to make the payment. Okay, so if you want to use the card option, you want to use bank transfer, you want to use bank option, you want to use transfer, you want to use USSD code, you want to use QR code. So you make your payment and you'll be granted access into the course. So if you want to see detailed information about how to buy courses on Seller, I have a video. You have a video that will teach you that in detail, so you can check my previous videos. So don't forget to click on the link in the description to this video. I've put the link there so that you can be able to access this training. So you can connect with me on WhatsApp if you need a discount code for this course, so that we can give you some discounts. Okay, so connect with me on WhatsApp. Okay, till I see you on my next video, I say bye bye and stay blessed.